Hey guys, here at Rivenhall level crossing in East Sussex is the level crossing guy. That's better. Oh, that side, this barrier banged. So we're going that way this time. So earlier on, from that way, the road is flooded. So we're doing another video here. Now I'm gonna go that way, same as when we just gone that way last time. Yeah, so it's inside the drain, or bird I meant. Sorry, it's a bird. Sorry, so that's a bird I meant. Yeah, that's what I meant. Okay. Here he comes. Okay, and oh, that's smelling wind. Up there goes. Thanks for watching.